Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Lexus GX 460. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.6-liter V8 engine with all-wheel drive and a 6-speed automatic with transmission. This Lexus has less than 105,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include navigation package, premium package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.